What are we looking at here? Well, we're looking at a wet floor, a wet wood floor. And what's happened is, I think the floor has moved and it's cracked the tiles in this entranceway here, and then one tile inside the shower. Now the one inside the shower was there was no grout around it. It was just more or less sitting there, and the water was just going right through that tile out to here and over here, up the wall. So I said to them, what we should do is probably just get rid of this old wet wood, chop it out and put some new stuff in. But they want to see if they can dry it first. So I'm going to do an exploration hole here. I've almost got it done now. And what I was having to do, I got the old rusty old screws in there. So you have to take and clean the head out. Get that head as clean as you can. And then I had a posi tip, pretty good quality one in the drill, but it was slipping, so I found a brand new posi. I think it's a DeWalt posi grip. After I cleaned that out and then used this ratcheting, because I could put a lot of pressure on it to get it, and it got it out. Now I had some screw remover set if I stripped it out, but I didn't get a chance to use it so far. So we'll see what happens. We might have a try on that now. But for now, I'm just gonna see. I got one line here already. Just gonna come down that layer. This is already a gap here, so I just got to make this cut here. Being very careful because I don't know if there's any pipes underneath there. My battery died on my metal detector, so that's what we're going to be doing. Okay. Okay, this is part 2 of this water damaged floor. Now I just did this one over here against the wall. I think this is where the brunt of the water was coming in, so that's really wet underneath there. Started with this one, then I did that one. Now I'm going to do this one over here on this side. Now what I've been doing, taking my Ryobi, setting it to just about 22 mil deep, making that cut right along there like that, and up there is a joint, but it actually, I think it's tongue and groove or something, so I'll have to cut that also. And then cut it up, you know, I don't want to hit a pipe. That's the main reason. I don't think there's any pipes in there, but you never know. So I'll set it with almost through, and then I'll take the fine multi-tool with a Japanese wood cutting blade or something on there, and then chop that through. And then the reason I'm doing this is so we can get ventilation underneath all these runs. You got to open every one of them because they're blocked by the floor joists. So if we open them all up over to there, because you can see where it's almost stopped over there, get that one open. And then we're going to put the dehumidifier in here for a few days and come back and see what it looks like. Okay, so that's the deal. All the other, I told you about the screws. There's some screws in here that have gone rusty, so you have to take your time getting the rust out of the heads of the screws. Otherwise, you're going to have a real problem getting the screws out. I might show you that if I have it all together. I'm using a flat blade drill bit to clean out the grooves. I'm going to try to anyway.